Welcome friends and traders to this pentagon structures in space and in time. The strongest structures in nature are hexagon structures. Hexagon structures have 6 sides. How come then space be bending over in the curvature? How come we have donut shapes energies? Well, without a pentagon inserted in a hexagon, the curvature cannot take place. So if we have a flat surface with all hexagon interconnected structures, it will never bend. It will be a plane. It will be hyperplane, but a plane, it's not going to curve. So if we add curvature, that means you need to add some changes to geometry, which is done by pentagon. So this is how the flux of 5 and 6 takes into picture. Alright, so think through this, research on this phenomena that if you just add all pentagons or if you just add all hexagons, unless you combine hexa structures and penta structures, bending of the curvature or the bend, the curve, the bend, the curve, right? The twist in the structure never takes place. So, given that philosophy, we are here to present to you sacred pentagon level 4. But in our case, what is bending for us is a structure is trend. Trend is going up, is where is my high? Trend is going down, where is my low? So pentagon is a natural fit for the phenomena. Alright, 6 is water has a hexadecimal structure, right? So it's very strong structure, 6-sided structures. Okay, so same logic. We have a geometry, hotspot here, 1, hotspot 2. We just need swings. Our swing is a swing when we have a big DNA market structure in the swing. Once we do that, high and low, what do we get? We get a structure in place. And then see, this pentagon is now coming from somewhere else. So that is, they are projected pentagons. It's done totally differently than you're used to. And then what are you looking for? Well, this edge is going to be enticing us. Right? First of all, this and this structure right here, you see vertical line, market is just going in punched up. And then market is going up, off by a few bars, punched down for the entire week. Weekly high and low came on the pentagon. A very complex structure is beyond pentagon here, but this is how it goes. It also reveals this internal support and resistance levels. As you can see, this is chart of 60 minutes of ES. Think nothing much to say and on this structure, but this we just need initial swings. So we have ability to just look at one bar and forecast everything, or one swing. We are staying with one swing at this moment in time, because even single structures, we show that in the courses, internal courses, how these structures impact everything. I relocate the structure. I relocated the structure from here to here, high and low. Why this high and low? The swing has a DNA structure of the market. We teach how to detect those structure DNAs. You can think about a big bar in the swing points. For now, it has a lot more deeper meaning. But what are we expecting? That this DNA is going to be lean DNA for us. And then you see this line coming right here, blue line, from the structure. Market went there, lean to the tick, ES, crash. How many points? 75 points. Then we have a pentagon structure right here. These purple lines, top, crash. Again, how many points? 75 points. This is now becoming a resistance of this pentagon structure. Right here, and support, and then resistance and support. Support, resistance. And now these levels were not known to you. All right. Now market is moving in this direction. We see a market by a DNA is being supported by this pentagon structure. Highs are there. Next day high also is there. Low is there. So this is beautifully done again, yet again, thanks to the Mother Nature. If I move it forward, swing by swing, right? This is the next swing. Now this seemed like this was a partial day, holidays. It could be who knows what. But what we need is a Pentagon structure completing right here. Timing the market and the pricing the market scenarios. Alright, that's what we are after, my friends, traders and friends. This is an ultimate tool set for those who are on the path to fulfill their life's destiny. If your destiny is requiring evolution through understanding and interacting with nature, this is phenomenal. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Keep researching.